Why have gas prices come down so much? They're finally off the crack. For now. US gas prices have finally started coming down, falling over 20% in the past few weeks. But the reason might surprise you, and I wouldn't get too excited just yet. Most people know oil prices are a big component of the gas price, and those are also down about 20%. So that's been a factor, but you can see from this chart that those only tend to make up about half of the gas prices we pay. Are taxes coming down? Yeah, right. No, it's actually been the top part in yellow. Refining margins, otherwise known as crack spreads. We don't put pure crude oil in our cars, right? We put gasoline in them. In order for crude oil to be turned into gasoline, it has to be refined. And the cost to do that is known as the crack spread. You can see from the orange line in this chart that crack spreads usually only add about 30 to 40 cents per gallon to the cost of gas. So not something we usually care about. But this summer, they quadrupled in about 7 months, and at one point we're adding about $1.40 per gallon to the price of gas. Refiners could charge higher crack spreads because 3 factors led to a shortage of refining capacity. First, the US and Europe have banned purchases of refined oil from Russia. So they could refine more, but we can't buy it from them. Second, China cut their exports of refined products by 50% this year to help with the pollution. So we could buy it from them, but they won't sell it to us. And third, refining is considered a dirty business. So environmental pressure in places like Europe and California has incentivized companies not to invest in new refining capacity and to shut down existing facilities. Now with prices so high, demand has come down, which has helped oil prices and crack spreads come down, thus lowering the gas price. However, China is planning to cut even more refining capacity over the next couple years. The world is probably beyond the point of going back to relying on Russia for oil, even if the war ends tomorrow. And environmental pressures aren't going away anytime soon. So sure, gas prices could come down for a little while in a recession, but don't be surprised if crack spreads, oil prices, and thus gas prices stay higher than we would like for quite a while. And if you want to learn the 9 habits you need to be a successful investor, check out the link below in the description. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you in the next video.